In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Canva design as PDF. If you found this video helpful for you, please make sure liking and subscribing. I can open any of them for my purpose. For example, I open this one. Once it's completed and ready for download, going on share, click on download, then file type. Here you need to go, just select PDF standard. Now here are lots of option. If you decided to uh, make a production like password, you can doing here easily. Click and add a password, but currently I don't need, so I avoid this option. And here are click download. That's it, my work are done. Thanks for watching.